Which of the following statement is not correct? Option A is photographic plates are sensitive to infrared rays, but this statement is correct. if photographic plates infrared rays sensitive होती है ये तो true है statement. B option is photographic plates are sensitive to ultraviolet rays. ये option भी true है. Option C is infrared rays are invisible but can cast shadows like visible light. ये option भी true है because infrared rays, although are not visible to humans, we cannot sense the infrared rays, but they actually exist and cast shadow when obstruction is placed. अगर हम किसी रीजन में इंफ्रारेड रेज हैं एंड दीज आर इन दिस डायरेक्शन और यहाँ पे कुछ ऑब्स्ट्रक्शन है सो दे विल कास्ट शैडो हेयर. सपोज स्क्रीन है, दे विल हैव देयर शैडो हेयर इन दिस रीजन of obstruction. वो बात अलग है that we cannot sense the infrared rays as well as their shadows. We have detectors to detect them. हम डिटेक्टर्स की हेल्प से डिटेक्ट कर सकते हैं. सो ऑलरेडी बाय डिस्कशन दीज थ्री ऑप्शंस आर करेक्ट. सो ऑटोमेटिकली हमारा ऑप्शन डी जो होगा इनकरेक्ट होगा. स्टिल वी कैन रीड द स्टेटमेंट. स्टेटमेंट इज infrared photons have more energy than photons of visible light, and this statement is automatically incorrect because we know energy is inversely proportional to wavelength, and wavelength of infrared light is greater than wavelength of visible light. So automatically this statement is incorrect and answer wise this option is correct.